Hello great people, you are welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. Lovelies, I brought you the most easiest and quickest perfect healthy Nigerian stew. For working class moms, this is super perfect for you. And even if you're a stay-at-home mom, you can also use this method for your easy yet delicious Nigerian stew. This is perfect for beef, for fish, goat's meat, for anything, and it is perfect for rice, for potatoes, yam, bread, beans, or for swallow. You can see the way I'm going to rock mine. You can see I'm serving myself right now. Look at it. This is so simple yet super delicious. Don't let me talk much, let's get it started. That's the vegetable oil I'll be using. I'm just going to heat it up a bit, and I'm going to add diced or sliced onion into it. I always love to flavor my vegetable oil before using it. Into this, I'm going to add well blended tomatoes, bell pepper, habanero pepper, ginger and garlic. I added it and I covered it. I'm going to allow it to cook under middle heat. I'll be opening and be stirring occasionally until it gets to the consistency that I want. It depends on how you want it. If you want it more chicken than this, then you have to allow it to cook a little bit more. I cooked this for about half an hour, and this is how I want it. I love it this way. So into this sauce, I'm going to add salt. Lovelies, have you liked the video? Please do so and subscribe. So I'm going to add seasoning into it now. After this, I'm going to also add my seasoning mixture. I love it. Feel free to add curry, thyme if you want it. All right, I'm not using it for this, but feel free to use it if you are used to it. So I gave it a good stir, and I don't need to waste any time. This is the secret. Always have boiled meat in your freezer. This is it. That's my boiled meat, and I freezed it with some meat stock. Yes, I took my time to boil this when I had enough time, okay? And I freezed it, I portioned them, and each time I don't have much time like this, I just bring them out. You don't need to wait and allow it to defrost. You can see how I'm doing it now. I'm just adding it direct into the stew, and I added the meat stock into it. And at this stage, I'm just going to cover it and allow them to cook together. Lovelies, within 5 to 10 minutes, everything is bubbling already, and the scent it's giving as if everything is freshly cooked. It is good. You can also parboil your tomatoes when you have enough time. Portion them in your freezer. It makes it a lot easier. But using the system, everything is going to come out fully fresh. You're going to taste it. The taste of the stew is going to give freshly cooked. No one will detect that this soup is cooked with a frozen boiled meat. Lovely. So I gave it a good stir, covered it for about 2 minutes more, and I opened it. It's now time to taste for salt. All right, so adjust the salt or pepper or seasoning. Lovelies, this one is ready. I rocked it with swallow. Like I've said, it goes well with bread, with rice, with fried plantain, with yam or potatoes.